I took the camp clock away from the cubs and changed the time from 11:30 till 3 a.m. in the morning, just so those cubs will go back to sleep. And a few days later, I got a letter from some parents saying, I'm really sorry that our kids kept you up till 3:30 at camp. Must have been really awkward for you. What am I talking about? It's confessions from a scout leader. I did a blog post about this about 3-4 years ago, and I called it Confessions from a Scout Leader, and it went down really well, and you guys loved it. So I thought, you know what, I haven't actually done it as a vlog. What I did was I've taken some of those extra confessions that never made it into that blog post and turned it into this vlog. And how it started was years ago, maybe about 8 years ago or something. I was at scout camp, and we had a hut, okay, and we were camping on the field, and the toilets were in that block. I went to the toilet at silly o'clock at night, and I just pulled the door closed, and the door was on the latch, locked it, and the keys were locked inside. There was no way of getting in that hut. Our food was in there, the toilets were in there, the showers were in there, everything. What I did was I woke the other scout leaders up and said I saw a scout run from the toilet block and pull the door through. And I blamed that scout. And basically in the end, what we had to do, the young leader managed to find a crack in the window door, and he burrowed himself through I don't know how he got through that window, tiny window, climbed through, and then released us. But to this day, no one has ever known, until now, that there wasn't a scout who locked us out. It was me. And that inspired Confessions of a Scout. So I've got some more confessions to read from you guys. Thank you very much for posting them. Some of them I couldn't post because they were a bit naughty. But here's my 4 favorite ones I got. On an event camp, we were doing some SAS cooking for our cubs. The food was so bad that I didn't eat any of it. One evening, me and another leader organized a wide game where I had to hide for a while. I didn't hide. I drove to McDonald's for a burger. Sneaky, but a good one. Loving that one. What's this other one say? Right, we were making Christmas cakes with our scouts. Prepare the tin, mix the ingredients they were asked to bring, and cook at home. Bringing them back the following week to ice and decorate the cake. One of our scouts forgot his eggs. We offered a couple of spare eggs. Scout had a massive hissy fit because they weren't free range and refused to use those eggs. Mum of the scout arrived, who also insisted they had to be free range eggs or nothing. So ever since that incident, we've always had a box of free range eggs. But what they don't know is the box is reused and reused, and they're actually normal eggs. No one's ever spotted the date on the free range egg box. We've been refilling them for the last 4 years with the bulk buy eggs, and no one's ever worked that out. That is so naughty, using normal eggs and telling the scouts that they're free range eggs. Naughty scout leader. I like it. Not a big one, but always a good one. Can we play a wide game? Yeah, of course, said the scout leader. Run away and hide, and we'll come and search for you in about half an hour. If you hear 3 whistles, it means those who haven't been found need to come back to the hut. So about 30 to 45 minutes of leaders not hunting, but enjoying peace and cups of tea and adult conversation. 3 whistles are blown, scouts return. Scouts, you didn't find us. That's because you guys are amazing at hiding. Might use that one. Love that one. Right, the last confession on the Scout Confessions here at Big Man in the Woods. This is a good one. On our annual 3-night district camp, I always make an excuse to go shopping for the camp essentials. Yeah, I love that idea of getting the bread, milk, some fresh produce. Yeah, cool. But what I actually do is go shopping and then go to the nearest leisure centre for a secret shower. Confessions of a scout leader. Can you do better? Have you got a better scout leader confession? Let me know. Either comment below or email me, and I'd love to do another one of these secret confessions of a scout leader. What's your secret? Remember, once it's told, it's only between me and you. No one will ever know about your confession. Don't forget, comment below or email me those confessions, and we'll do another one of Confessions of a Scout Leader. Don't forget, subscribe to Big Man in the Woods, click that notification bell here, and it's all about scouting, and I'll see you next time here on Big Man in the Woods. Till next time, guys, take care and happy camping.